This is a prototype glove for Morse code. It has two velostat pressure sensors, one on the pointer finger and one on the middle finger. The pointer finger corresponds to the light and hard pressure, which corresponds to a yellow light for light pressure. So light pressure, yellow light, and then harder pressure, green light. And then the middle finger corresponds to light pressure and the red light. On the serial monitor, it can be seen that the ring finger on light pressure corresponds to a dot. So light pressure, ring finger, dot. And then hard pressure on the ring finger corresponds to a dash. And on the middle finger, it corresponds to a space. So I'll do a space and then a dot again. See the space in there? And then you can use the Morse code legend to then decode your message.